He's in scared of something, huh? He's trying to figure out what the vacuum is doing. What that noise is. Oh, in my neck, man. What is it? Wait a minute. Alex, what is that? What is it? No. Not sure, huh? Alright, we'll go back in here. I'm scared of the vacuum. Huh? You're really scared of the vacuum, aren't you? Hey? Who's that? He's like, why are you taking me? No, stop videotaping me, I'm scared.